Lenhlangano ithi namanje kusenzima kubafundi ukuba bathole imfundo esezingeni nelingana nawo wonke umuntu. Izinto zokuthutha abafundi, ukuxhaswa ngemali kwesihlelo zezingqalasizinda yesikole, ukuxhaswa ngemali kwabafundi kanye nokubhedwa kwe-COVID-19 kwandise izinselele.
This obviously has a big implication of learners and had a big implication during COVID-19 when learners now had to attend school on a rotational basis, either every other day or every other week because there's insufficient classroom space. Learners struggled with water access in their schools, toilets, etc.
Ngudi wezemfundo eNyuvesi yase-Western Cape uthi iNingizimu Afrika inohlelo lwemfundo labami kahle ngokomnotho nabaswele okwenza izinkinga ezinkulu.
We have school principals and teachers who are doing very well in the system despite the challenges, but we also have on the ground level teachers who are not pulling their weight in terms of the teaching methodologies in classroom and the basic disciplinary aspects of how to manage a schooling system.
Inyunyana yothisha isathi ithi kunezinkinga eziningi okubalwa kuzo ungabibikho kwengqalasizinda kanye nezokuthutha abafundi ngenxa yokuthi imali ayabiwa ngendlela.
With the termination of the rotational timetabling, we have seen how the disparities between rich and poor schools have been shown out because we have received reports and also seen photographs of learners sitting on the floor at classrooms because of the lack of space.
Marmanu uthi iNingizimu Afrika ichitha imali engamaphesenti ayi-6 kuya kwayi-7 yesabelo semali emfundweni, kodwa lokho akuchazi ukuthi imfundo yakuleli lizwe isezingeni elifanele.